Have you heard about DragGAN? It's all about this fantastic AI tool called DragGAN, and it's truly exciting. DragGAN could change how people edit photos in an incredible way. Picture this. With DragGAN, anyone can adjust their photos in ways they never could before. This remarkable technology comes from the famous Max Planck Institute, so you can be sure it's packed with advanced technology. But how exactly does DragGAN work? And what makes it so special? Let's dive into this AI innovation and find out more. What makes DragGAN so extraordinary is that you can literally drag and drop points on your image and watch the magic happen in real time. It's like taking a quantum leap in the world of photo editing. Trust me, you'll be blown away when you see it in action. So get ready to witness a whole new era in photo editing. DragGAN is here to redefine the game, and it's going to change the way you edit photos forever. Alright, let's dive into DragGAN's incredible feature. It mainly relies on two crucial elements: feature-based motion supervision and a cutting-edge point tracking approach. Now, don't worry, we'll break this down in simple terms. First up, we've got feature-based motion supervision. These nifty techniques guides the image creation process by using the movement of those handle points as input. Handle points, you ask? Well, those are the key areas in the image that determines an object's shapes or posture, like the corners of a mouth, the eyes, or even the limbs. Now here's where the magic happens. As a user, you get to select these handle points on the image you want to play with. Once you've marked them, you can simply move these points to new positions, showing how you want to tweak the object. For instance, if you want to turn a neutral face into a happy one, just move the mouth corners upwards. DragGAN is smart enough to keep tab on these point movements and will create a fresh image that matches the changes you're aiming for. How cool is that? But how does it pull off this feat? Well, it's all thanks to a special kind of AI model called Generative Adversarial Network. This AI wizardry is known for its knack for conjuring up realistic images from scratch. Now, DragGAN uses a special type of GAN, which stands for Generative Adversarial Network. That's like a magician's hat full of possibilities. What's fascinating is that it can create images in something called a latent space. Think of this as a super complex world where all possible images reside. So here's the cool part. DragGAN takes these handle points and moves them around in this latent space. What happened next is pure magic. It doesn't just reshape or stretch pixels like some ordinary image editor. No, it goes the extra mile. DragGAN crafts entirely new elements like facial features that you didn't even know you needed. For example, if you want to rotate someone's head, DragGAN will conjure up unseen details like ears or teeth, making it all look incredibly real. But it doesn't stop there. DragGAN knows how to play with light and shadows to make your edit blend seamlessly with the rest of the image. That's what gives your tweaks that natural look, and it's pretty impressive. Now, here's the big deal. DragGAN doesn't play favorites. It can handle all sorts of images, people, animals, landscapes, vehicles, you name it. Unlike some old school methods that needed specific models or markers, DragGAN is versatile. It can adapt to whatever you throw at it. But wait, there's more. DragGAN isn't just a show-off. It's also incredibly fast and efficient. No need for extra networks or complicated setup rituals. It's designed to run on any device that can handle GAN, like the mighty RTX 3090 GPU, and the best part, it churns out images in the blink of an eye. Less than a second to be exact. That means you get instant feedback and an interactive editing experience. The brains behind DragGAN have put it through some rigorous testing with all sorts of data and situations. And guess what? It came out on top when compared to other methods like StyleGAN 2 ADA and PGAN Spade. DragGAN consistently delivered more accurate results and a smoother editing experience. It's quickly become one of the hottest tools for AI-powered image editing. Now, speaking of AI image editing, you might have heard of Canva's AI photo editor. It's pretty slick, no doubt. It can enhance your photos, remove backgrounds, and even turns them into stunning artwork. Plus, it's user-friendly, fast, and free for everyone. But here's the catch. While Canva's tool is fantastic, it can't match DragGAN's precision and realism. DragGAN gives you precise control over positions, shapes, expressions, and more. It seamlessly generates new content that fit right into your image when you add or remove objects. Plus, it supports point-based and mask-based editing, which the Canva tool doesn't. So, DragGAN might just be the new reigning champion in the world of AI photo editing. Let me tell you about another fantastic feature of DragGAN that will give you a whole new level of control when you're editing images. Imagine having the power to select specific parts of a picture that you want to change while leaving the rest untouched. Well, DragGAN makes it possible with something called a binary mask. It's like a spotlight on the movable part of your image. For instance, if you want to turn a dog's head without messing with its body or background, you can simply apply a mask that covers only the head. But here's the deal. Just like any technology, DragGAN has its quirks. One of the main challenges it faces is the need for a diverse set of training data to create those realistic images. If it doesn't have enough examples of different objects, it might struggle to generate accurate image or even produce visual glitches. Another puzzle DragGAN tackles is handling areas that lack texture or have intricate patterns. Tracking and matching these areas across different images can be a bit trickier. Now let's talk about responsibility. It's crucial to consider how this technology could be misused to create fake pictures of real people. These fakes could make someone appear as if they're posing, expressing, or shaped differently than they actually are. It's a real concern. But here's the exciting part. Despite these challenges and risks, DragGAN opens up a world of possibilities and advantages for future advancement and applications. The brains behind it are already looking ahead with their sights set on expanding this point-based editing to 3D generative models. That means you'll soon have the power to manipulate 3D objects in even cooler and more realistic ways, breaking new ground in what we thought was possible. Now, let me take you behind the scenes of DragGAN's incredible journey. This cutting-edge technology didn't just happen overnight. It's the result of years of hard work, research, and innovation. It's like a symphony of the best in computer vision, machine learning, graphics, and human-computer interaction. Picture this. A team of brilliant minds from diverse backgrounds and disciplines came together to bring DragGAN to life. The dream team includes Singyong Pan from the Max Planck Institute for Informatics and Saarbrücken Research Center for Visual Computing, Interactions, and AI. Ayush Tiwari from MIT, Thomas Lehmkuhler from the Max Planck Institute for Informatics, Lingji Liu from the University of Pennsylvania, Abhimitra Mecca from Google AR and VR, and Christian Theobald from the Max Planck Institute for Informatics and Saarbrücken Research Center for Visual Computing, Interaction, and AI. Now, that's a powerhouse of talent. These genius folks shared their ground findings in a paper titled DragGAN, Interactive Point-Based Manipulation on the Generative Image Manifold. It made its debut in the conference proceedings of SIGGRAPH 2023. If you want to dive deep into the nitty-gritty details of how DragGAN works, you can check out the paper on ArcSiv or visit their project website. But what's their mission? You ask. Well, it's all about inspiring more people to explore the amazing world of image editing using GANs. They want to ignite fresh ideas and applications for this incredible technology. Ultimately, their goal is to make photo editing accessible and fun for everyone. It's a bright future they're working towards. Now that you've learned all about the incredible DragGAN and its potential to revolutionize photo editing, we want to hear from you. How do you envision DragGAN changing your approach to photo editing? Do you have any concerns or ethical considerations regarding from the use of AI tools like DragGAN for image manipulation? Leave your answers in the comment section below. Remember, DragGAN is all about taking photo editing to the next level, and it's set to redefine the game. So don't miss out on this opportunity to share your insights. Let's dive into the future of photo editing together.